Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. Today we are going to solve a Java big integer problem. So let's start to solve it. Here they mention that we have to add and multiply two big integers, or sorry, huge integers. So here in Java, you know that there are two data types like integer and long that we can use to add and multiply two numbers. But here they mention that uh, whatever the two number, it will be very huge that those data type wouldn't be able to store that much of value. So here they have asked us to use a Java big integer class. So let's start to understand what the Java big integer class is. Here in Java, a Java big integer is a class which stores integer or long value into a big integer, which and then we can do certain operations, uh, whatever the operation like addition, multiply, using that those big integer. So here it is the syntax for the big to initialize object of the big integer. And here how we going to provide our data. Here we have to provide a data in a string, and if suppose we have to convert this object between a big integer object into int value, then we have to use uh, uh, this this function int value to convert a big integer into int value. And similarly, in a long value, we have to use this function long value to convert it in long value. And here in if we have to add two big integers, as you know, if suppose there is one int value and other is a long value, so you have to convert first them into a big integer, right? And how you are going to convert it? Just uh, just write this uh, object initialization for big integer, and then you have to provide here the value. So if suppose it is int, it will not get the value. Suppose int a is there and you provide here a, it will reject that value. We have to uh, typecast this value into string by adding empty braces like that. So yeah, let's start to solve the problem, and here are the two operations that we are going to use today, add and multiply. So let's start. So here first we going to define scanner to new and 16.in, and then we going to take two arguments, that is two values. String num1 is equal to sc dot next int. Similarly, string num2 is equal to sc dot next, sorry, not int, we should write here line, next line. And then again we are going to create two big integer objects. Big integer v1 is equal to new big integer and num1. Similarly, big integer b2 is equal to new big integer num2. And simply we are going to system dot out dot println with the operations. So first is add, and b2 here system dot out dot println b1 dot multiply b2. Okay. So yeah, let's try to run this code. Yeah, it ran successfully. Now we are going to submit this code. Okay, all the values got successfully ran, and this is how we are going to solve Java big integer problem. So yeah, we'll meet you in next video. Doesn't take care. Bye.